Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use Google Pay to pay for Netflix, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm using my browser version. You can use your phone version as well if you want to. It's literally the same process. But firstly, let's start creating an account. Now, once you enter your email and choose a password for that email, you will be brought to this page where you need to choose a plan. You can select whichever plan you want, click next, and then you'll have to choose how you want to pay. Now, as you can see in my region, it is not available to use a Google Pay. However, you might be in a region where that is available, and you'll have a UPI option over here at the bottom. Now, if you are in a region that doesn't have it, you can very easily use a VPN to fool Netflix to think that you are there. And once you do that, you will have the option to pay with Google Pay, and you can just select that method of payment and then just go forward and enter your credentials and you should be good to go. Now, another thing that you can note is if you already have an account, you can also go into your account settings, go into manage payments, and then you can add another payment method such as Gcash, again, if your region allows it. And that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.